Good evening, everybody. So this is my Yash's Insight after the episode 69 of Empowerment Talks. Today we hosted Rukia Khan. She is a TEDx speaker and she was speaking to us about the SMILE strategy, S.M.I.L.E. The way she started the talk from the storytelling and the story that she connected of her birth journey having with her kid and how she explained to us how storytelling skills were perfect, were phenomenal, and the way she was delivering, taking those pauses, creating that climax was amazing. A very beautiful take of how you can actually deliver a talk. She spoke about happiness and stress management, and she spoke about S means silent your mind, how you can do it, meditation, breathing, manage your attention, I intention, L let go, a very beautiful and profound thought of letting go, because letting go is, if you don't let go, you won't create the space for somebody else. It's as beautiful as you explained. And energize the possibilities. These 5 points actually hit. Then we kind of spoke about how the inferiority complex work, how there's an urgency for everybody to being perfect, why instant validation is required. A very beautiful Q&A round. Audience liked it, myself liked it. This I'm recording on 22nd of June, and tomorrow I'm hosting another beautiful speaker. A very good feeling after hosting this talk. Thank you everybody for joining. We'll see you.